The new headphones look similar to the existing Powerbeats, minus the cable that connects them. In particular, the Powerbeats would bring a new form factor to Apple's truly wireless headphone line, which offers adjustable ear tips and over-the-ears clips for a more customizable fit than the one-size AirPod. And just like the AirPods, the new Powerbeats Pro will come with a charging case that will presumably recharge your headphones while you travel. The Powerbeats Pro headphones will also feature the new Apple H1 wireless chip that the company introduced along with the second-generation AirPods that it launched last week. That Apple offers better connectivity and battery life, as well as Hey, Siri support. On the back of the Powerbeats Pro case you will see a lightning plug. We'll have to wait to see if you can recharge the case with key wireless charging, as you can with the updated 2019 AirPods.